Now, before we begin the course, I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how to get the best out of this course. The best way to approach this course is to listen to the lectures and then do the assignment given at the end of each section. Please do the writing exercises and don't be too hung up about the time limit given in those questions. You can take much longer if you like, but it's very important to actually do the writing because it is only when you do it that you constantly improve. You can listen to as many lectures as you want, you can read as many books as you want, but the only real way to improve your craft is to actually dive right in and write every single day. So please do the assignments, take your time, and don't be worried about, is my assignment good? Are people going to judge me? Is it good enough to submit? Don't think about it. Just write, but do the exercises and join me as we go on to do fundamentals of creative writing.